Once a video file is open, you can play or control the player using the mouse or the keyboard. To play the currently open video, press the play button. Or press again to toggle between paused and playing. The space bar key can also be used to toggle between playing and paused. If the player didn't play all video frames, for example if some frames have been skipped, the indicator will show this. To be able to export the data correctly, all frames must have been played. Once all frames have played, the indicator shows that no frames are missing and that the data can be safely exported. Drag the slider to change the video playing speed. Or write the exact speed in frames per second. Alternatively, use the up and down keyboard arrows to control the speed without having to use the mouse. Notice that the slider is logarithmic over its range. When the lowest speed is selected, the player will enter frame-by-frame mode. In frame-by-frame mode, to move to the next video frame, press the right arrow on the keyboard. This allows more accurate coding. Drag the slider in the seek bar to seek in the video to the closest seek point. The right and left arrow keys can also be used to seek. In frame-by-frame mode, the right arrow key is used to advance the video by one frame. Zoom the video with the zoom slider and zoom or zoom out buttons.